Hazels and plums are the best complement for hazel eyes. If your eyes are hazel, you can live in the world of plums and purples. Live your best life exploring.
With this eyeshadow selection, we're working with violets and purples and all of the colors in that family that really allow your hazel eyes to pop. This soft pink shade is one of my favorite in the LimeLife by Alcone shadow selection. I'm using this color all over the eye from brow to lash, from the outer corner to the inner corner. Next, I'm going in with a soft violet shimmer shade. I'm starting with this at the inner corner of the eye, and I'm working it towards the outer corner. Next, I'm working with a darker shimmer shade, and by bringing that to the outer corner of the eye, we're going to make sure that everybody sees the gorgeous hazel. This matte medium tone is also in the purple family, and it's going to allow us to shape and structure. So I'm using this shade as my crease, and I'm also using it as my liner. And then my pro tip, I'm taking my lightest shimmer shade and I'm popping it right at the inner corner of the eye. And this is gonna give you a modern smoky that works for daytime or nighttime. I'm going to finish this look by working with a lip and cheek in the same color family. This smoky eye that uses shades in the violet and the purple family is gorgeous for hazel eyes or rarely any eye shade. This is a look that will leave everybody so excited about your hazel eyes, you won't want to stop playing with this eyeshadow selection.